This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV Metro Nation.
Welcome to NDTV Metro Nation. Delhi, this is where you belong.
Wake up and smell the coffee. Rahul Bali takes you out for a breakfast that will kickstart your day.
Good morning. Welcome to Feeding Frenzy.
Food is the ultimate memory.
Bhangra aerobics, rock climbing or yoga pilates. Getting in shape is just a hop, skip and jump away with Charu Shankar.
I'm Charu Shankar and I am your guide to some of the best alternate fitness regimes that are available for us in this city. Okay, we're about 20 minutes into our Bhangra aerobics class.
Come, you want to see what I've learned today?
I'm not going to punch you, I'm going to punch you.
Okay, try.
How to keep your car cool in summer? Which tires to get for your new SUV? Answers courtesy Motormouth Rashid. Welcome to Motormouth. I'm Rashid Raza and this is the only show. We're going to cover your car from the ground up, starting with the tires, through the secret inner workings of your engine and right out to the car paint on the other side. This is not going to be pretty. This is the show where you get your hands dirty.
Glamour, Bollywood, Hollywood and what to do for some fun in Delhi. It's all a part of the entertainment diary.
Just a few more hours left to go for the final Harry Potter book to come out.
Shopaholic alert. Nandita, Charitra and Tanisha will tell you what you simply have to get.
Well, I've decided that sports is a lot of fun. Okay, maybe not playing for it, but definitely shopping for it.
My name is not exactly the shortest name in the world.
700 rupees, 400 rupees, or 400 rupees, 300 rupees, 160 rupees. Being happily unmarried, priceless.
What's Delhi eating? Raja Sharma grabs lunch at local hotspots.
Welcome to yet another episode of Feeding Frenzy. Sir, आपकी मूंछें बहुत अच्छी हैं, आपसे हम दोस्ती करेंगे. Maybe I can get, a kg or two of jalebis for free.
इन्होंने सब कुछ है इसके अंदर, बाकी टेस्ट ही नहीं है.
Talk about the issues that are changing Delhi every day.
When you're living in a family, there are adjustments from everyone.
I just wanted everything to work out.
I think I'm a pretty good mother and I share a very strong bond with my children.
Leaving him behind will be very, very difficult, but eventually I'll get used to it.
Kids are our biggest investment and she's really managing that extremely well.
The show that talks about our city and how it affects us all.
Your guide to being the best sort of parent, complete with role play.
Hi, and thanks for joining us on Bringing Up Baby. Today we're going to talk about nutrition for babies as well as toddlers.
If I don't switch on the cartoon, she's not eating. Right. Until it's some junk food which she loves to eat. I particularly feel restless children should be out of your bed because you don't get any sleep at all then.
Yeah.
What college students are spending their time on? It's Tahir Basim's job to find out.
Hi, I'm Tahir and you're watching You Special. I'm at Miranda House at SRCC Hindu College.
Okay guys, school is over. Being homosexual is actually being normal. Soft drugs, hard drugs, drugs are drugs.
Need a new look? Allow Style by Ajay Bisht to be your fashion guy.
Hi, I'm Ajay Bisht and I'm your personal shopper for today. I have two young men with me who I have to find perfect denims for today. Yeah! She's got out a nice skirt which could have been the background track for Madhuri Dixit and Devdas. Oh God! A lot of people I've seen also wear their own wedding lehengas to somebody else's wedding and look like absolute fools most of the time. So stop doing that.
Arundhati Subramaniam knows where to eat and she's willing to share.
This time, instead of a feeding frenzy, we're in a bit of a drinking frenzy. Now, every now and then, a new place opens which is totally awesome, but no one knows about it.
20 ml tequila or a little more if you're like me. Okay. More Coke? More Coke?
More Coke. That's it.
Awesome.
Abhinandan Gupta reviews the coolest videos.
Hello and welcome to Mouse Potato, your guide to the craziest, wackiest, zaniest videos on the internet. The video fetches an 8.5. So hilarious stuff coming your way. I'll give this video an 8 and 10. You go ahead and check it out.
Late at night, Party Hop with the most glamorous people in town. We'll show you all the hot spots to hit in town.
This is the only branch that it has in India, the famous chain of clubs from the UK.
This is how we do it in Delhi.
Watch out for NDTV Metro Nation.